Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download your LinkedIn badges and achievements detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the LinkedIn website by typing www.linkedin.com into the address bar. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Me icon at the top of the homepage. Click on the Me icon to open your profile menu. Select View Profile from the drop-down options. Scroll down to the Featured section of your profile. If you do not see the Featured section, you may need to add it by clicking on the Add Profile section button. Click on the Add Profile section button and find the option for Featured. Once you have located it, click on Featured. In this section, you should see your badges and achievements listed. Hover over the badge or achievement you want to download. Click on the three-dot menu icon that appears next to the badge. Select Save to PDF or Download from the drop-down menu. If you choose Save to PDF, your browser will initiate the download. Locate the downloaded file on your computer, usually found in the Downloads folder. Open the PDF file to review your badge or achievement. If you require a digital copy in image format, you can take a screenshot of the downloaded PDF. Use built-in screenshot tools or third-party applications to capture the image. Finally, save the screenshot in your desired format. Now you have successfully downloaded your LinkedIn badges and achievements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.